world where it seems like injustice is at every corner, the heaviness of the weight of our world pulls us down, but we know that Jesus calls us to live abundantly, for it is a banquet and not a famine. It is a feast and not a funeral. It is an overflowing cup and not a rationed drop. So, live, seeking justice, but knowing that there is hope in abundance, that there is love ready to give radically, and there is joy. In a world that seeks to weigh us down and harpoons upon us, it is the act of joy itself that is defiant. Happy Fat Sunday.